Hey, it's Greg Dineo with Sales Leads in 30 Days. Today I want to talk to you a bit about building services that promote retainer clients. Here's what typically happens in a small marketing firm. First, there is prospecting. The firm has to go out and find about 10 or so prospects before they sign up one client. After the prospecting, the firm will have consultations and write proposal for everyone who shows interest. Then the firm will begin working on the deliverables. And finally, the project is complete and now the firm has to start prospecting all over again. This process is like trying to run from New York City to Boston on a treadmill. Sure, it will keep you busy, but you aren't really going anywhere. The absolute easiest way to build your marketing firm is to have retainer clients. Why? While I'm a huge fan of constantly finding new clients, I'd much rather add those clients to the ones that I already have. Let me tell you the story about two marketing firms who are starting today. Each marketing firm is able to sign up one new prospect per month, and each prospect is worth $1,000 per month. The only difference is that marketing firm A does project work while marketing firm B built a retainer-based service. Let's take a look at how each company will do in the near future. 1 month from now, each company will have found one client and made $1,000. However, at the end of the month, firm A has to go find a client to replace the one they lost, while firm B is looking to add another client to the one they currently have. So at the end of month 2, firm A will have made $1,000 that month and firm B will have made $2,000. Look at what happens in 6 months. Firm B will have netted $21,000 while firm A will have only netted $6,000. Now that you know why you should have retainer clients, let's focus a bit on how to go about building these services. The first step is to evaluate your talents and the talent that you have on your team. Are you designers? Are you copywriters? Jot down a list of the skill sets that you currently have that provide value to future clients. And don't worry just yet if they aren't good retainer type services. Next, you want to identify services that get you the most positive feedback from current clients and try to make it as specific as possible. For instance, if your team is made up of designers, do you find that people absolutely love the fonts that you create? Or are you especially good at designing websites or web apps? Write down all the service that you have done that have gotten positive feedback from other clients. And now for the tricky part. You have to figure out how to turn your talent into a service that clients would want to pay a subscription for. This will require creativity on your part, and unfortunately I can't provide you with a formula to do this. But here are ideas for you. Some of them are easy. If you are really good at designing Facebook pages, then it's not a stretch that you can charge clients a monthly fee to grow their fan page. That's a no-brainer, right? But let's take one of my previous examples. Let's say you are great at designing fonts. How do you turn that into a retainer service? Most small business owners won't pay a monthly fee for new fonts, but other designers and website developers might. You can have a business that sells new fonts every month for a fee of $20. It's not hard to imagine that 500 or even 1,000 designers and website developers would pay $20 per month to have brand new fonts delivered to them. I'm envisioning a font of the month club, and that's what I mean by getting creative. Now that you have some idea about how to build retainer-based services, tomorrow I'm going to show you how to promote your marketing firm.